Hello dear children, another drawing lesson. Today we will draw the figure of a boy. You remember last time we drew the face of a boy? Now today we will draw full picture, full figure of a boy. Now for making boy, first of all we will make the face. You remember how we made the face? We made an oval and then we made hair. So today one more type of hair ma'am will teach you. Okay, then under this you will make two oval eyes, and in the eyes you will make a circle which you will color black. Small nose and a smiling face. Ears. You remember this much? Now under it we will draw the figure. So first we will make a deep U, and then leaving a little gap from here we will make sleeping line this side, leaving a little gap. You will not leave so much gap, otherwise your neck will become very long. So we will leave a very little gap from here and make sleeping line. So these are shoulders, this is the neck, and this is the round of your t-shirt, the round neck of your t-shirt. From here we will make standing line, here also standing line, make a sleeping line. From here, this is the shoulder, we will make the sleeve of our t-shirt, which will be slant, and then you will go in straight. From here again, slant other side and go in straight, sleeping line. Now the shorts. We will make slightly slant, or you can make straight also. Straight line, then sleeping line. From here also we will make a sleeping line. We will leave a little gap here, okay? And then in the middle of this gap here we will make a dot, and then we will join from here and join with the slant line this side. So these are the shorts. Now we will make legs. Same on the other side. Now the size of the legs should be same. Thickness of the legs also should be the same. One thin and one fat leg should not be there. So thickness and the size of the legs should be same. Then we will make oval shoes. And we can make socks here. Okay. Now we will make arms. First of all, from this corner we will make a little, very little slant line. We will not go too much slant, very little slant line. Oh, this arm has become very long. It will come a little below the waist till here, and then one more line. All right, then this side also we will start from here corner and make a little slant line which will be a little below the waist. One more. Again, the thickness and the length of the arms should be the same. Now coming to this side, we will make hands. You will make half oval, go inside, and from here you will make like this. This side also, first we will make the thumb and then we will make half oval. So this is the picture of a boy. Okay, now for 3 days you will practice this picture of a boy. And after 3 days, I will give you a new picture to make, the picture of a girl. Okay, so happy drawing. Draw nicely. Bye.